everyone, welcome to Sneakeroos, and today we're going to unbox one of the latest basketball sneakers from Puma. But before anything else, please don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell to keep yourself up to date when Sneakeroos has a new video. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. This is something that I think I bought like probably 3 weeks ago, and I reckon there are like 3 items in this box. So one of that is the sneaker, and then I think 2 of them are I think it's a figure, and then the other one is a pair of basketball socks. This is something that's coming from the Throwback store, and this is actually based in Sydney. But anyhow, without any further delay, let me unbox this one. Careful. All right. Okay. Back from the box itself. Let me just check. Oh, okay. I think you can see what I'm trying to open up right now. And it's the other way around, so maybe I'll just flip it later on. Yeah, this is a piece of paper. Put it on the floor for now. And like what I was telling you, these are like 3 different items, and one of which is this amazing basketball socks from Stans. Yeah, and it says a size large. Okay, so have a look. Yeah, that will be cool. And the other side is this one. All right. So let me get that out of the way. All right, and of course, Atlanta Hawks basketball. All right, sorry about that reflection. Yeah, and I know you can guess. One of my favorite NBA players today, of course, is number 11 from the Atlanta Hawks, Trae Young. Okay, so yeah, I think this is good. I like the figure. The resemblance is cool. Yeah. All right. And it says Small Stars Minis. So if you can check this out, Small Stars Minis. And this one is 11 Trae Young. Yeah, it's 6 inches. And of course, that's 15 centimeters. And it's an official NBA. Okay, let's go with the sneakers. All right. Okay, so this is actually the bottom of the box. I'm sorry about that, because I think I flipped this one. So let me get this box out of the way. All right, just looking at the bottom of the shoe box. Well, I think you can see right now it's from Puma. Yeah. Yeah. So these are just the information for the size conversion. All right, so let me flip it. Oh. All right, so let me twist it like this. As you can see, this is a sneaker from Puma, and I'm not sure if you recognize this logo. So first of all, this is not NBA, but instead it's WNBA. But the reason why I bought this is I got interested with the reviews online, and I like to see the texture. And aside from that, I like the design, the way I see it in photos and in some of the videos. So I think this is the right opportunity for me to, have myself a pair, and then, try it on and, play basketball, play hoops with it. I think it was about to sold out. There were not too many sizes available, so then I decided to cop it online. So as you may know, this is a woman's size sneaker, so you need to upsize it for like around 1.5 size up to your usual men's size. So let's say if you're size 10 and you want to buy this, I think you have to resort to size 11.5, something like that. But I think still the best is go to the store and fit it, and you can get the right size. By the way, if you want to check it out, just like have a look around, of the box. Here it is. You can see the Puma branding over there. Okay, and I like this print. Is this kind of design details is sort of like type of graphics that appeal to the 2024 crowd these days. Anyway, so just to give you a little bit of introduction about who is Stewie or Breanna Stewart. Well, she is a WNBA player.
7 to shoot. Stewart, the crossover, the lean, the bank, plus the foul.
So Hannes kicks it out. Stewart pulls from 3.
Sparks turn it over. Here comes Ionescu. No look. Laney. Stewart doesn't touch the ground.
Anyway, so let's see what's inside this amazing box. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, that's impressive. I like the wrapping details. You know, they really put an effort to create a design into it. It's not just something that you can usually throw away. I mean, this is something that you can keep, or maybe put it as a design for something, or maybe make an art out of it. Yeah, I mean, I like the effort that they created. This is good. I'm seeing good right now. Okay, so let's open this. Oh. Oh. Okay. By the way, before I get the entire sneaker, this retails at $200 Australian, of course, and I'm not sure if it's available in Puma website. So maybe good luck in finding your pair. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the sneaker. Wow. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's the same as the Puma Rise Nitro or the Puma Clyde. Probably they're similar, but in terms of like the look and feel, they have, you know, similarities to it. Now, of course, they have these round shoelace. This is sort of like a mesh upper. I'm not sure how breathable it is, but you know, you can check other reviews. This is more of a quick unboxing. Now, as far as I know, this type of thing here, these is what you call the Puma tape or power tape. I'm not sure if that's the right terminology, but yeah, and the reason for this is to have stability or support to the mesh upper. And well, I'll be able to find out when I play hoops with these shoes. As you can see on the middle side, you have the Puma logo. And this is Stewie or Breanna Stewart's logo, and then the Puma branding here as well. I mean, the rear is like this. Wow. It looks like a slim profile, but I don't know, maybe it's just has like padding all over. Now for the outsole, you can see it's like this. You have the Puma logo and then Breanna Stewart's logo as well, and you can see the patterns of the traction. I mean, I'm not sure. People are saying that it's something like fire. I don't know. It could be wind, something like that. Like 4 different elements. I'm not sure, but you can check it online and try to do your research as well. Okay, so yeah, it has a nitro technology in it. Yeah, and this is the tongue. The tongue is really padded. That's really good. It's a good sign. It's I don't think it's heavy. It's lightweight in that sense. And if you look at it from this side, you can see all of those heart details. By the way, the model of this shoe is called Stewie 2, Mi Amor, which translates to love or my love. Yeah. So what do you think? What do you think about this sneaker? Are you going to cop it, or are you just gonna pass? But for me, I think I love the intricate details here. It's pretty simple, and like what I always say in my videos, I don't want so many colors in the shoes or in the sneaker. I like sort of like this kind of combination, a bit of muted colors and one that's something that stands out. I think I'm happy with that. I don't want it like green here and blue here and pink here and orange there. I don't know why companies or brand these days they make those, I don't know, patches of colors. Like, you know, it's hard to match when you're wearing a basketball uniform. If you want to wear it for casual, it's a bit difficult as well. So I don't know, it's just my opinion as a designer. I'm not really keen, and I'm not liking those kind of style. I mean, I know other brands of sneakers, they also use those different colors, and kind of it's just overly done, I think, in my opinion. But anyway, this is the Stewie 2 Amor from Puma, and this is just a quick unboxing. Anyway, up until then, this is Days, and I'll see you in the next Sneakeroos unboxing.